Okay, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to place somebody new, and hopefully this comes out decent. So I'm going to log in, and it's coming up to this. I'm going to have to redact out these names, but we go over here on the left to team, and then overflow graphical genealogy, and you can read the legend of who's where. And I'm going to have to redact some of these names. So I'm going to go to the far bottom right and scroll. And then you see far bottom right, I'm going to put this latest person on my bottom right side of the binary tree. Now there's also matching bonuses, so you don't have to worry about placement so much. In a binary, you want to build two legs, outside left, outside right. So you can go far bottom left, far bottom right. I'm going to the far bottom right because I need to place somebody here. As soon as I click this person, the green goes to yellow. I don't know if I can click back. I could probably click over here. See over here on the left, there's this green. If I click it, it turns yellow. The other one turns green over here. This is an inside leg. I'm not going to build the inside. That's the job of Loof 2. So I'm going to go over here and click the green. This is where I want to place the person. Now this turns from from green to yellow. Now that also pops up this box. Sponsor, who it's going to be under. Recruits available to place. 1. I'm going to click on this blue button. Place consultant here. It's going to pop up this box. Recruit to place. Select recruit. Click this drop down. It's going to show me this guy, 3640 Paul, and I'm going to leave his last name out of it because I'm going to have to redact that out too. So now he's in this box, and I click place recruit. It's going to say this action cannot be undone. Are you sure your selections are correct? This is once and done. So you can cancel it if you made a mistake. I didn't make a mistake, so I'm going to click continue. And that drops Paul right in here. Now he's at the bottom right of this particular leg. It also shows all his information over here under the consultant details, which I'm going to have to block out because again, you're not allowed to put that on YouTube or any video. It's not right to put somebody's information out there. So now I'm going to go back to my position, and I'm going to have to just click away and go to the dashboard, continue. Yeah, I want to get out of here because now I've got probably a half hour's worth of work to go and block everybody's name out so I don't get any penalties on from the video gods.